Hello children, we continue with practice set 22. It's question number 2. Carry out the following subtraction involving rational number. First we did addition, now subtraction. So the first sum 7 upon 11 minus 3 upon 7. First we need to equalize the denominator either by taking the LCM or by cross multiplication depending on the sum given. 7 upon 11 into 7 upon 11 into 7 minus 3 into 11 upon 7 into 11. Okay, we are cross multiplying. 7 sevens are 49 upon 77 minus 33 upon 77. So we have equalized the denominator. Now we'll write it under one roof. 49 minus 33, which is equal to how much? 49 minus 3, 6, 4 minus 3, 1. 16 upon 77 is our answer, children. Hope you have understood this first sum. We go on for the second sum. 13 upon 36 minus 2 upon 40. 36, 40. So we need to take out the LCM, children. So look at the sum 13 upon 36 minus 2 upon 40, which we could reduce it, children. 2 upon 40 can be reduced, right? So again we write down 13 upon 36 minus 2 upon 40. See, I'll show it to you here. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. So 1 upon 20 we could write instead of 2 upon 40. It's clear? Instead of 2 upon 40, reduced from 1 upon 20. Now we take out the LCM of 36 and 20. So 2 stable, 2 ones are 1 carry, 2 eights are 16, 2 tens are 20. Okay, 2 nines are 18, 2 fives are 10. Here we stop. So 9 and 5 we need to take, children. Look at that carefully. So we will multiply 13 upon 36 into 5 into 5 minus 1 upon 20 into 9 into 9. Okay. In the last sum I had told you 9 we are getting for 36, 20 we are getting for 5. So we are multiplying cross. So multiply and write down 36 5s are 5 6 are 30, 0, 3 carried, 5 6 are 15, 15 plus 3, 180. Okay. 13 5s are 5 3s are 15, 5 1 carried, 5 1s are 5, 6, 65 minus 9 ones are 9 upon 20 into 9, 180. Done up till here. Now we need to write down under one roof. 65 minus 9. Okay. And that is equal to how much, children? 65 minus 9 upon 180. That is 56 upon 180. Look at that. Units place 6 and 0. So we can reduce this further. So this can be reduced further and written as what, children? I'll show it to you all in the working. 56 upon 180. Right in the working. 56 upon 180. You can do it here also. But little, messy to look. You won't understand. That's what I'm doing here. 2 twos are 4. 1 carried. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 zeros are 0. Now 28 and 90. Again by 2 stable. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8, 1 carry, 2 fives are 10. 14 upon 45. So 56 upon 180 is 14 upon 45. Okay. And that's the final answer. So look at the sum once more. 13 upon 36 minus 2 upon 40. 2 upon 40 can be reduced as 1 upon 20. Then take the LCM of 36 and 20. and multiply and write down. Equalize the denominator and solve the sum. So the next one, third sum, it's a mixed fraction 1 2 upon 3 minus 3 5 upon 6. We have seen in the addition, same procedure. First convert the fraction. 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 upon 3 minus 6 threes are 18, 18 plus 5. Okay, got it? 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2 4, 5, 5 upon 3. 6 threes are 18, 18 plus 5, 23 upon 6. Got it, children? Now look at both the fractions, 5 upon 3 and 23 upon 6. Okay, some multiple, right? 6 is the multiple of 3. 3 twos are 6. So we will keep this as it is and we'll multiply this fraction by 2 or with 2. 5 into 2 upon 3 into 2 minus 23 upon 6. That will be 10 upon 6 minus 23 upon 6. Denominator same. Now write against a single line. 10 minus 23. I'll write that 10 properly. 10 minus 23 upon 6. Now this can be written as 10 minus 23 is minus 13 upon 6 and we have to leave it as it is. Minus 13 upon 6. Look at the sum once more. Simply just convert the fraction and equalize the denominator and subtract it. Fourth sum is also the similar. 4 1 upon 2 minus 3 1 upon 3. So 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 upon 2 minus 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10 upon 3. These are prime numbers. We have to just cross multiply. 9 into 3 upon 2 into 3 minus 10 into 2 upon 3 into 2. Then write down 6. 9 3s are how much? 27 minus 10 2s are 20 upon 6. Let us write them under one roof. 27 minus 20 upon 6 is equal to 27 minus 20 will be how much, children? That's right, 7 upon 6. So this is the sum. Both I am showing third and fourth. Now it's question number 3, children. Multiply the following rational numbers. So the first one is 3 upon 11 into 2 upon 5. 3 upon 11 into 2 upon 5. Straight away just multiply. 3 into 2 upon 11 into 5. Okay. So 3 into 2 upon 11 into 5. That is equal to 3 2s are 6 upon 11 5s are 55. So this is our answer, children. Multiplication straight away you need to multiply. Second one, 12 upon 5 into 4 upon 15. See, there are two ways in this. You can simplify the way you want. I'll show both to you. 12 upon 5 into 4 upon 15. First, as usual, 12 into 4 multiplied by 5 into 15 is equal to 12 fours are 48, right? Upon 5 into 15. 5 5s are 25, 65, 75, sorry. 75. Okay, 48 upon 75. So this is one you can do it, or the other way is simple, more simpler. That is, see, 12 upon 5 into 4 upon 15. 12 and 15, which table? Yes, that's right, in 3's table. So we could reduce it. So I'll show it to you here. 12 upon 5 into 4 upon 15. let's use and cancel. That is 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12. Done. So this becomes easy to multiply, right? Is equal to 4 4s are 16 upon 5 5s are 25. So this is the final answer. And we will see here 16 upon 25 there we can reduce it. Okay. So children, here 48 upon 75 we can reduce it. Which table? By using 3's table. That is 3 1s are 3 and 1 carried over here. So 3 6 are 18. 3 2s are 6. 1 carried. 3 5s are 15. So same answer will be getting 16 upon 25. Whichever method you apply, both are correct. Only here it's easy because we reduce it, so it's easy to multiply. So we go on for the third sum. Minus 8 upon 9 into 3 upon 4. Again the same way. I will reduce it. Minus 8 upon 9 into 3 upon 4. So 4 1s are 4 2s are. We can do this only in multiplication, not in addition and subtraction. So what? 3 1s are 3, 3s are 9. What are we left with? Minus 2 into 1 upon 3 into 1. That is equal to minus 2 upon 3. Easy? Otherwise, you can multiply also and write down minus 8 into 3. 8 3s are 24. Minus 24 upon 9 4s are 36. So minus 24 upon 36, and then you can reduce it. Now we go on for the fourth sum, children. 0 upon 6 into 3 upon 4. Fourth sum, children. 0 upon 6 into 3 upon 4. So same way, 0 into 3 upon 6 into 4. 0 into 3 will give you 0 upon 24. Now 0 upon 24 is equal to 0. So 0 upon 24 is 0 because, like for example, you have 0 chocolates and I am saying make 24 parts of it. Okay. So is it possible? No, it's not possible, right? So it's not defined also. Any number to be divided by 0, it's not defined. So 0 upon 24 is 0. Is it clear, children? Here one more method you could use is, see, 0 upon 6 is 0. So 0 into 3 upon 4 is 0. So whichever simplification is all correct, children. Once more showing you all the sums. That was first sum, 3 upon 11 into 2 upon 5. Second sum, 12 upon 5 into 4 upon 15. Third sum, minus 8 upon 9 into 3 upon 4. And fourth one, 0 upon 6 into 3 upon 4. Question number 4 of practice set 22. Write the multiplicative inverse. The number is given. We need to write the reciprocal. Reciprocal means multiplicative inverse. Like for example, 1 upon 5's reciprocal is 5. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. So the first number is 2 upon 5. So reciprocal will be 5 upon 2. Second one is minus 3 upon 8. So it will be minus 8 upon 3. Third one, children, minus 17 upon 39. So that will be minus 39 upon 17. What about 7? Reciprocal of 7 will be, yes, you're right, 1 upon 7. So when it is only 7, it means it is 7 upon 1. Okay, so reciprocal will be 1 upon 7. Or in other words, multiplicative inverse of 7 is 1 upon 7. Now what about this? Mixed fraction. Minus 7, 1 upon 3. So first we need to make them into a fraction, proper fraction or improper fraction. So 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 1, 22 upon 3. Got that? 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 1, 22 upon 3. It's minus. Don't go for this minus and minus it, that 3 7s are 21, 21 minus 1. No. This rule of converting that into fraction remains the same. This minus is for the reciprocal. So you'll have to put it for the answer, children. Okay. So 3 sevens are 21. 21 plus 1, 22. So 22 upon 3, it's minus 22 upon 3. So reciprocal of minus 22 upon 3 will be minus 3 upon 22. Is that easy, children? Hope you have understood that. Showing you a view. Once more, have a look at it. So multiplicative inverse means nothing but the reciprocal of that number. Now question 5 of the same practice set 22, children. Carry out the division of rational numbers. The first one is 40 upon 12 divided by 10 upon 4. 40 upon 12 divided by 10 upon 4. So we start here. 40 upon 12 into division will be converted into multiplication, and for that sake this will become the inverse. 10 upon 4 will become 4 upon 10. Inverse, right? So don't change both. You will get confused. Keep the left same, right you change. 4 upon 10. Now simple, either you multiply like we did before or cancel, because multiplication I can cancel. Okay, I'll show both. So 40 into 4 will be 4 zeros are 0, 4 fours are 16 upon 12 tens are 120, and then you reduce it. 0 0 cancel. 4 fours are 16, 4 threes are 12. So answer is 4 upon 3. Okay, or easy way is 40 upon 12 into 4 upon 10. We got, right? So here itself 0 0 cancel, or 10 ones are 10 fours are. Same way, 4 ones are 4 threes are is equal to 4 into 1 will be 4 upon 3. See how we have reduced the step, right? So you have to look at the marks, children. If it is asked for 2 marks, you go on for this step, but not necessary. Even here you will get 2 marks. Okay, but here you will save your time. So depending on whatever your comfortability, you solve it. Second one, minus 10 upon 11 divided by minus 11 upon 10. So minus 10 upon 11, keep it as it is, into 10 upon 11. So minus, okay, got it, children? So this will be, we have learnt it, no? Now inverse, multiplicative inverse. So minus 11 upon 10's multiplicative inverse is minus 10 upon 11. Got it? So don't go and cancel. This division sign is there, we cannot cancel. Now here we cannot cancel, right? We have to multiply and write. 10 tens are 100. So 100 upon 11 11s are 121. And minus into minus plus. Got it? Minus into minus plus. So 100 upon 121. So that's the final answer. Understood? Third sum. Minus 7 upon 8 divided by minus 3 upon 6. So minus 7 upon 8 into minus 6 upon 3. Multiplicative inverse of minus 3 upon 6 will be minus 6 upon 3. Now see, 7 and 3 we cannot cancel. 6 and 8 we can. So cancel and make it simpler. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 is equal to minus 7 into minus 3 upon 4 into 3. Minus 7 into minus 3 upon 4 into 3, and that is equal to minus into minus plus. 7 3s are 21 upon 4 3s are 12. See, if you could reduce it, you reduce it. 21 and 12 we find in 3's table. So reduce it. 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 21 is equal to 7 upon 4. This is your answer. Have a look at it. Now fourth sum. 2 upon 3 divided by minus 4. So 2 upon 3 as it is into minus 4 will be what, children? That's right. It's only 4. It will be 1 upon 4. Same way minus 4 will be minus 1 upon 4. Got that? So minus 1 upon 4. Now cancel. 2 1s are 2, 2s are 4 is equal to 1 into minus 1, minus 1 upon 3 2s are 6. So this is your answer. You want to multiply and write down? You can multiply and write down. 2 into minus 1 upon 3 4s are 12 and then reduce it. Simplification is all yours. Fifth, 1 upon 5 divided by 5 3 upon 6. So first we need to convert them into fraction, proper fraction. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11 upon 5 divided by 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 3, 33 upon 6. Done. After this we will take the multiplicative inverse into 6 upon 33. So once we inversed it, see 11 and 33 we can cancel, or even 6 and 33 we can cancel. But this is easier. 11 1s are, 11 3s are. Now 3 and 6 I can cancel, children. Understood? 11 1s are, 11 3s are. Now 6 and 3 I can cancel. And all I can do, because there's a multiplication sign here. Addition, subtraction, division. We cannot do this. So 3 1s are, 3 2s are 6. What are we left with? Just look above. 1 into 2 upon 5 into nothing, or 5 into 1. So that is 5 is equal to 2 upon 5 is the answer. Have a look at it properly. 2 1 upon 5 divided by 5 3 upon 6. First convert that into the proper fraction. 11 upon 5 divided by 33 upon 6, and then multiply using the multiplicative inverse of 33 upon 6. 6 sum, minus 5 upon 13 divided by 7 upon 26. Same pattern, minus 5 upon 13 multiplied by 26 upon 7. Multiplicative inverse of 7 upon 26. Now look here, children, 13 and 26. We can cancel. 13 1s are, 13 2s are. So what are we left? Minus 5 into 2 upon 1 into 7 is 7. So that's minus 5 2s are 10 upon 7 minus 10 upon 7. Okay, minus 10 upon 7 is the answer. Seventh one, 9 upon 11 divided by minus 8. So 9 upon 11 into reciprocal of minus 8, 1 upon 8. That's right, but it's minus, so put a minus. Minus 8, reciprocal of minus 8 will be minus 1 upon 8. Now multiply and write down. 9 1s are 9. So it will be minus 9 upon 11 8s are 88. 11 8s are 88. Simple. 8 and the last sum, children, 5 divided by 2 upon 5. So 5 multiplied by 5 upon 2. Multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 5 is 5 upon 2 is equal to 5 5s are 25 upon 2. So this is your answer. Once more, you can look at the sum solved. 6th one, 7th one, and 8th one. Hope it's easy to understand, children. This is 7th sum. This is 6th sum. So with this 8th sum, we wind up in this video. We continue in the next video with practice set 23 and how to find the numbers between the two rational numbers. So have a great day children. Practice, practice and practice.